You could take average iPhone videos like this, or take it to the next level and go to cinematic mode. Click the F icon and slide aperture all the way down to 2.0. Then go behind a beautiful flowering bush, hit record and tap on the flower, move slowly to the left and tap on the couple. Then open it up to edit, then click on the dial icon and select exposure and bring it down just a little bit. Select shadows and bring that up to your taste. Finally select contrast and pump that up. And now you have a cinematic masterpiece straight from your phone. Hit subscribe and follow for more. Okay, so I have my top 15 wedding photo action LUTs on the Koji link below, and if you guys support it, I thank you so very much. And I also have an ebook for sale too, at $10 if that's okay. I do have a link below if you guys are interested in my little ebook on how to photograph weddings. I got photo samples and just all these things that you need to prep for, and it's a good guide to help you get ready for your first wedding or your second or third wedding. So if you do get it, thank you so much for supporting me and my family. And just real quick, guys, if you guys are interested in getting some free training videos on photography, video, drone, and all these things you can do with your camera so that way you can live the life of freedom, then go to my website, cameratofreedom.com, hook me up with your name and your email, and I will send you every once in a while some cool stuff. And if you do, welcome to Camera to Freedom, and I will see you next time.